Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add voiceover in Canva. So it's quite simple, so yeah, let's dive right in. Suppose, let's first choose a video. Let's say I want this video over here and I want to do a voiceover in this, right? So let's first set it as background. So in order to do voiceover, in the same upload section, as you click the upload, you can see upload file option, and below that you can see record yourself. You know what to do now. You can simply tap in there, and now what it's doing is that it is also like recording yourself through the camera. But if you don't want it, then you can simply turn off the camera and now it will only record your voice. So in order to record, you need to hit that record button. It's in 3, 2, 1, and yeah, now it's recording. But make sure that your script and or notes, whatever you want to say, record, it must be ready beforehand. And what you got to do now is simply, here we go, like it's recording right now. Once you're done, you can hit simply that done button. And there you go. This is, you can simply exit studio, you can save and exit, and yeah, now it's recording. But make sure that your script and so yeah, or notes, whatever you want to say and record, it must be ready beforehand. So yeah, this is how you voice record in the Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.